This is PV Hariharan, Chartered Accountant, Wealth Influencer and Financial Planner on 27 January 2025। 4 दिन बचे हैं, 4 दिन बचे हैं जनवरी क्लोज होने के लिए। जनवरी फरवरी मार्च के 1 महीना ख़त्म होने को हो गया है, सॉरी। एंड we have to take a decision on the proposals which I have given to you all regarding term plan or regarding market plan or regarding traditional plans, whichever is your choice. Please take a decision, because if you are reviewing your portfolio, if you have a gap in protection, if you have a gap in protection, you have to take it. If you have a gap in life goals, you can go for market plans. If you are young and you have age in your favor, and if you are nearing 40-45, you have to plan for your retirement corpus. 3-4 दिन बचे हैं और मेन मुद्दा है जनवरी का टैक्स प्लानिंग। टैक्स प्लानिंग से टैक्स बचता है और इन्वेस्टमेंट में पैसा लगता है। और इन्वेस्टमेंट जो भी करना है, इट शुड बी फॉर मिनिमम 5 years एंड मैक्सिमम 12 years। पेमेंट का whatever is the payment schedule, that should be for minimum 5 and maximum 12. So the address is for all those persons who are planning, whether it is HNI, NRIs or salaried persons. Tax planning, right time to plan and save your advance tax, save your tax, save your interest and penalties of income tax, because when income tax is paid, it goes to the government permanently, whereas through tax planning you will save your tax as well as whatever investment you make, that will you get a big returns. If it is a traditional plan, in case of any insurance company, that will give you 6.6% to 6.15% lifelong for 30 years. Traditional plan, no risk guaranteed. If it's a market plan, if you plan for 15 years, 20 years, you will get at least 15 times returns. And 10 lakh का 15 times हो गया 1.5 crore. You invest for 10 years and get after 20 years 1.5 crores, or 25 after 25 years, more than that. And if it's a term plan, it is a protection during the life protection, and it is a zero cost insurance. So zero cost insurance, life goals with returns more than 15%, or traditional plan with 12%. तीनों भी है। कोई भी इंडस्ट्री में हो, कोई भी इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री को, टाटा का हो, बिरला का हो, बजाज का हो, LIC का हो, 19-20 का फ़र्क होता है। प्रोडक्ट, अपने को प्रोडक्ट लेना जरूरी है। एंड फाइनेंशियल planner, you should have the faith. So January 27th, I again repeat, time for tax planning, and take a wise decision and come to me. I am PV Hariharan, Chartered Accountant. I can be contacted at 9920168778 and sharanam020@gmail.com. My profile can be read through pvhariharan.com. I have been practicing since 40 years and I have 2 lakh viewers in my website. Encash my experience and my wisdom for your benefits, for your family benefits. Thank you. मुस्कुराहट के साथ हरिहरन। आज 28 जनवरी 2025। धन्यवाद।